Every Chromebook hides a locked door, and Google built a warning screen this scary specifically to keep you from opening it. Today, we're opening it anyway. I'll show you exactly what's behind it, what it actually costs you, and how to close it back up if you change your mind. This is called developer mode, and depending who you ask online, it's either the best thing you can do to a Chromebook or the worst. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is true for you and exactly how to flip the switch safely. Picture your Chromebook as a bank vault. Every time it starts up, a security guard called verified boot checks that nothing inside has been tampered with. It checks the operating system files against a known good copy, and if anything looks off, it repairs itself before you even see your desktop. Developer mode turns that guard off, on purpose. It's the one setting that hands you full access to the system underneath Chrome OS, the same kind of access a software engineer building Chrome OS itself would use. Sounds powerful. It is. Coming up, the actual price tag on that power. Here's the trade you're making. Normally, Chrome OS sandboxes everything, and verified boot catches tampering automatically. Turn on developer mode, and both of those protections step aside. You'll hear that beep and see that scary screen every single time you turn it on, not just once. You either wait through a 30-second countdown or press a key combo to skip it. Forever, until you turn developer mode back off. And because the guard is off duty, this is the one state where a Chromebook can actually pick up real malware. The kind Chrome OS is specifically designed to block in normal mode. One more cost. Flipping this switch, in either direction, wipes all your local files. Google Drive stuff is fine. Anything saved only on the device is gone. Worth it? Depends entirely on what you're trying to do. Let's get into it. Step 1. Turn your Chromebook all the way off. Step 2. Hold Escape and the refresh key together, then tap Power. That drops you into recovery mode. You'll see a screen warning that Chrome OS is missing or damaged. Don't panic. That's completely normal. It just means you're in the right place. Step 3. Press Ctrl+D. That's the actual command to enter developer mode. Your Chromebook reboots, wipes itself, and rebuilds in developer mode. Give it 10 to 15 minutes. Don't touch it. Quick note. The exact key combo can shift slightly depending on your specific Chromebook model, but Escape, Refresh, and Power is the standard on the vast majority of devices. Quick gut check before you do any of this. A lot of people land on developer mode because they actually just want one of two things: installing a specific Android app or running Linux. Neither of those strictly requires developer mode on most Chromebooks anymore. If that's not actually your goal, it's worth checking the alternatives before you wipe your device. But if you still want the full unlock, that's what the rest of this is for. To turn it back off, restart. And on that same OS verification screen, press space, then enter. That re-enables verified boot, wipes the device one more time, and locks the vault back up exactly the way it shipped. So now you know what's actually behind that door, what it costs you to walk through it, and exactly how to lock it back up if you change your mind. That's the whole trade. No mystery left. If Chrome and Chromebook tricks like this are useful to you, subscribe. This channel posts a new one most days.